That's right. Yeah. Around the corner. Around the corner.
मेरा सर एक साइड का
तुला ह्याच्यात फोटो काढायचे
Thank you.
थँक्यू सर हॅलो हाऊ यू मॅम
थांबा तिकडे एक फोटो करूया कुठे तिकडे ठीक आहे मधुजी तिकडे करूया ना तिथे मस्त दिसते
हां हां एक नंबर
मधुजी थोडा टर्न
हाँ वो दिख ही नहीं रहा फेस यस थैंक यू मैम
Hey, madam, थोड़ा देखो तो. Remember this session?
Shimla.
Not Shimla. It's Sogai. Before one station before of the Shimla station, Sogai station.
Yeah, that's I know Kansla investigation.
That's me. All three of us used together
Yeah.
early. And then I did one.
Beautiful. Yeah. कौन निकाला? अच्छा आपने.
This is
साइड
the rooftop.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I have a photograph with this? Go and stand there.
बस आप भी आइए एक बार हाय मोहिल अरे कैसे क्या कम बस आप भी आइए बोल क्या
थँक्यू मॅम
It's all on my own. सेंटर में जगह देते हैं
नाही मी बघितलं ते मला पोस्टंटीने फोन केला मी बोललो प्रोग्राम होतं त्याचं कन्फर्म करून झालं करून मेल आहे चालेल पाठवून दे.
I should ask you that question. I'll keep it with
शिवजा भाई
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to inform you that Honorable Governor has arrived at the venue. May I request everyone to kindly take their seats and
Oh,
I request all our honorable dignitaries to kindly come on the stage. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to our distinguished guests, dignitaries, member of the diplomat. We now move to felicitation of all esteemed dignitaries. May I request Vidhan to felicitate the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. Thank you. I request Vidhan to felicitate Ashish Shelarji, Minister. I request Pradeep Chandraji to felicitate Hema Malini ji. I request you, Subhara Kodreji, to felicitate Joint Secretary Ramamurthy sir. Thank you. May I now invite Nidhi Chaudhary, Director, National Electric Modern Art Mumbai,
Celebrating Mumbai's recognition as Creative City of Films by UNESCO. I recall that in 2019, during my tenure at the BMC, we worked relentlessly to present Mumbai's cinematic legacy to UNESCO. Among several cities, Mumbai earned this global recognition. It is not merely a title. It is a recognition of the city's enduring contribution to the cultural and creative imagination of the world. When we decided to celebrate this recognition through a show at NGMA, it was a Herculean task, as NGMA has never done a show on cinema at this scale before. But then, as Shah Rukh Khan reminds us, जब किसी चीज को आप बहुत शिद्दत से चाहते हैं तो सारी कायनात उसे मिलाने के लिए एक हो जाती है. Lens and Legacy is truly an outcome of that belief. The universe bringing together the right people at the right time. This exhibition is our humble yet ambitious attempt to celebrate cinematic heritage through the eyes of those who have quietly yet powerfully shaped its visual memory, the photographers. In that sense, it is also a tribute to photography as an art and to masters like Raghu Rai, who helped India see itself. The exhibition brings together the works of distinct men have spent decades engaging cinema, framing its emotions and shaping its public imagination. The exhibition also features special tribute sections dedicated to the beloved He-Man of India, Dharmendra Ji, who spread love and magic through his acting in over 300 films, and the ever versatile and enchanting Asha Bhosle Ji, who has sung over 11,000 songs, making her the most recorded voice in the history of music in the world. We miss you, Dharamji and Ashaji, but you will forever remain in our hearts. At NGMA Mumbai, we have consistently sought to position the gallery as a dynamic cultural space. This exhibition reflects that vision where art, cinema and history come together in a meaningful dialogue. I once again extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed dignitaries for gracing this occasion, to our collaborators, BMC and the Films Division of Government of India, participating photographers, and to the entire team of NGMA, whose dedication has made this exhibition possible. However, I will say, ये तो बस ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Over the next 2 months, we will be organizing a wide range of events celebrating Indian cinema, from film festivals to panel discussions to workshops and much more. We are honored by your presence and hope that this exhibition resonates.
Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now invite Shri Ashish Sridharji, Honorable Minister of Cultural Affairs, Maharashtra, to address the gathering.
Good evening to everybody. Honorable Governor Vishnudev Verma-ji, Honorable Hema Malini-ji, Nidhi Chaudhary-ji, Ramamurthy-ji, and all the dignitaries who are present in this august auditorium. Let me begin my speech by wishing you a happy Maharashtra Day in advance, because tomorrow is the 1st May, that is our Maharashtra Day. So Jai Maharashtra to all of you. And let me pay my respect to Dadasaheb Phalke ji, being a birth anniversary. Obviously, whatever creative recognition as a city we have got, we can't forget the contribution, dedication and devotion actually done by his creativity, that is Honorable Dadasaheb Phalke ji, so I pay my respect. Third and most important, obviously, the two legends which we are missing today, and as rightly Nidhi ji has expressed a thought about Dharmendra ji and Asha Bhosle ji, those who have done a wonderful job and has given us an immense pleasure, happiness, and actually echoed for all sentiments as a human in their songs and films. So I pay my respect to Dharmendra ji and Asha ji also. Lens and Legacy, National Gallery of Modern Art has organized this wonderful exhibition. So let me congratulate Nidhi ji and her entire team for such a wonderful job. And at the same time, she has taught me something to follow, that as a National Gallery, if our government and National Gallery has done a wonderful job of paying the respect to the creativity of this city, I can assure you in front of our Honorable Governor that being a Cultural Minister of Maharashtra, we will contribute our part of role to carry this for entire year with our own creative programs at this very place also. Friends, World UNESCO has recognized this city as a creative city. That is our own Mumbai. And obviously, I remember one dialogue, Nidhi ji, as you have seen, one dialogue of the film, and nobody else than Salim Javed's dialogue, and which has been featured by Amitabh Bachchan ji. I'll moderately change into it and can say that Mumbai शहर की महत्वता को कम करना ये मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. And therefore, UNESCO also has to recognize the same. And how can we forget that this Mumbai city in itself has given best for the drama, theatres, Marathi film industry, be it our great industry, Hindi film industry, Bollywood, And that's why this Bollywood in Focus need to be bring on the day of birth anniversary of Dadasaheb Phalke ji, and which has been rightly done over here. I was remembering the other day, I was talking to Kiran Shantaram ji, that the contribution to the human sentiments, individual sentiments, and recognize all the corners of our heart and mind has been gracefully explored by our film industry. And when I was talking was to this year we are celebrating 125th anniversary for V. Shantaram ji also. So in that sense, do aakhe bara haath, how one can go against the routine nature and try to make the history by making the film in such a way which is Bollywood filmmaking great into the commercial angle also. Obviously there are a series of actors and actresses who has done the best and shown to the world that what is our capacity and how we can catch more eyeballs than any part of the world, creativity as such. And I must say here that this only creative recognition of Mumbai has been rightly in a way caught by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And that's why we know that the WAVES, World Audio Visual Summit, which last year we have seen, witnessed the same, that the creative industry's world's leadership should come to the Bharat, and that to be also in Mumbai. That's why WAVES has been conducted in a Mumbai gracefully for the very reason. I feel this lens and legacy is adding to this effort as a creative economy or a orange economy which Mumbai has contributed to the world, and this legacy and lens and legacy is endorsing the same again. I just wanted to make a last point that we all belongs to this industry in a way as a co-actors, co-producers, co-directors, or even a common man who adores this industry's creativity. We can't forget the challenge in a good sense which has come up by the way of technology. And when we say the technology is a challenge, we cannot run away with it. And now AI, fortunately I am IT minister too, therefore the AI, quantum migrations and all these things is going to add certain good things, but at the same time it is going to create certain challenges. So hopefully on that also, let's come together, let's carry this legacy forward, and let's this creativity flow to make all humankind happy. Thank you so much.
To kindly address the gathering.
Namaskar. Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Jishnudev Varmaji, Minister of Culture Affairs, Maharashtra, Shri Ashish Shilarji, Director of National NGMA, Nidhi Chaudhary ji, dignitaries and artists who are all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to be with all of you this evening for the inauguration of Lens and Legacy exhibition, which celebrates the legacy and journey of Indian cinema through timeless portraits. And I'm glad to see many of my friends here who are all great photographers who have taken my pictures in my days. Many of them are there, and I have seen some of the pictures also. They have been displayed, so it's so nice. So being an integral part of Hindi's film industry for the last 5 decades, I feel honored to be representing an industry that has shaped Indian society and culture in a creative and a powerful manner while entertaining and addressing social issues of the day. I thank the Ministry of Culture, Maharashtra, and the NGMA for honoring the world of cinema with this exhibition. And maybe for this I worked a lot, and I'm really thankful to you for inviting me to this function. It's a very beautiful program, I would say. Mumbai is a city of dreams. I know it is a financial capital city of the country, but still I would say it's a Maya Nagar. There are thousands and millions of people come here to find their destiny. अपने अपने किस्मत को आजमाने के लिए यहाँ आते हैं. कई लोग आते हैं, पिछले भी कई सालों से आते रहे और अभी भी आ रहे हैं कि अपने आप को क्या मिल सकता है. मुंबई इज लाइक ए मदर, इट इनवाइट्स, वेलकम्स एवरीबॉडी, सबको अपने गोद में ले लेती है जैसे माँ. तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री भी यहीं पे है. इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस फॉर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड सो मेनी मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल हैव कम टू बिकम एन एक्टर. और बने भी, कई लोग बने हैं. उसमें से वी कैन से सो मेनी एक्टर्स राइट. अगर एक्टर नहीं बनना है तो राइटर बनेंगे या डायरेक्टर बनेंगे, लेकिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ जुड़े रहना है. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस फॉर द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. मुंबई मीन्स फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. लोग यहाँ इसीलिए आते हैं. जैसे कि उस जमाने में पृथ्वीराज कपूर जी आए, उन्होंने एस्टैब्लिश किया था पूरा एंटायर राज कपूर फैमिली वॉज हियर. देन उसके बाद दिलीप साहब, देन धर्म जी ऑल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम पंजाब से, विलेज से आए सपने लेकर, और उनका सपना भी साकार हुआ. ही बिकेम अ ग्रेट एक्टर हियर and contributed so much for the film industry. And I'm really fortunate to be representing this beautiful industry, and that to this golden era in which I was acting. I have done so many films with such great directors and actors, producers, writers, music directors. So many songs have been picturized on me. Actors like Raj Kapoor से start किया, शम्मी कपूर, शशि कपूर, धर्म जी, देवानंद, जितेंद्र जी, अमिताभ बच्चन, राजकुमार, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा जी, लेकर बहुत सारे लोग जिनके साथ मुझे काम करने का अवसर मिला. और डायरेक्टर्स लाइक असित सेन, चैतन आनंद, मनोज कुमार, गुलजार साहब, रमेश सिप्पी, रवि चोपड़ा जी, जय प्रकाश, प्रमोद चक्रवर्ती, और many of them. इसके अलावा कितने बड़े बड़े फोटोग्राफर्स, सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स who made us look so beautiful. भगवान का दिया हुआ थोड़ा बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन इसको 100 times और एनहांस करने वाले हैं हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के ऑल द सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स. इनके अलावा बहुत सारे स्टिल फोटोग्राफर्स, जैसे कि फिल्म सिनेमाटोग्राफर में वैकुंठ जी थे बहुत बड़े, और विंसेंट, वी.के. मूर्ति, वरुण दा, कमल बोस, माथुर जी जो रजिया सुल्तान बनाई थी, राधू कर्मा का मेरा पहले फिल्म है राज साहब के साथ. वो इतने बड़े बड़े कैमरामैन. जब फोटोग्राफर्स में जेपी सिंगल, गौतम राधेध्यक्ष, धीराज चौड़ा, धीरेन्द्र किशन, प्रेम सागर, ऐसे बहुत सारे अनगिनत फोटोग्राफर्स जो मुझे याद आती है कि जैसे शूटिंग हो रही है, बीच बीच में बुला के जरा फोटो ले लेते हैं, आप आइए बाहर. देन आई यूज्ड टू फील क्या डोंट डिस्टर्ब नाउ करके समटाइम्स यूज्ड टू से. बट उन दिनों में जो फोटोग्राफ्स उन्होंने लिया है, मुझे आज देखकर इतनी खुशी होती है कि कैसा उस समय को कैप्चर किया है. उस समय जो जवान है हम, उसको कैप्चर किया है, विच वी कैन नेवर सी इट अगेन. तो वो सब बहुत, आप सबका बहुत बहुत मैं धन्यवाद करूँगी. इसके अलावा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो पीछे हैं, जैसे कि मेकअप मैन, हेयर ड्रेसर, ड्रेस डिजाइनर्स लाइक भानु अथैया who creates that character. लीना दारू, मनी रवाड़ी, नाउ नीता लुला, ऐसे इतने लोगों के कंट्रीब्यूशन की वजह से एक एक्टर बनता है जिसको आज हम यहाँ पे गैलरी में देखने को मिलता है. This is such a big contribution by such great people. Or this exhibition today is a visual treat of the vast industry's journey. Each frame carries profound memories and they immortalize the character, the subject, the artist, the visualizer, and all who have helped create that frame. Each poster takes us down memory lane. The Indian film industry's impact is seen worldwide, whether it is music, fashion, dance, special effects, and even storytelling. You have immortalized all these people. So I have a small suggestion. You have created all this, and there is a museum also, I know, that I would like you to do one more thing, which will be very nice. But इतने बड़े-बड़े legend actors सब थे, एक cultural minister हैं इधर, तो मैं आपसे बोलूँगी, एक जगह ऐसा बनाइए, एक 5-6 एकड़ का जमीन, जहाँ पे एक सब एक्टर जितने बड़े एक्टर लेजेंड्स जो थे, उनका क्योंकि आजकल ये है कि अभी सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं, you can create them, you know, and then उनके पीछे उनका क्या-क्या contribution कितने फिल्मों में उन्होंने किया, क्या-क्या गाने थे उनके साथ connected, why they were popular at that time, so that the coming generation would like to know more about them. So like that, each and every actor के लिए आप बना सकते हैं, so which will be people will love it. क्योंकि मैं देख सकती हूँ, हम लोग जहाँ रहते हैं, जिस बंगला में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं पब्लिक, they can't see us personally, तो एटलीस्ट घर के सामने खड़ा होकर घर का फोटो लेकर जाते हैं. They are so much crazy, you know. बॉम्बे में आया तो हमें किसी एक्टर को देखना है, उनके साथ फोटो लेना है, अगर कोई नहीं मिला तो एटलीस्ट घर का फोटो लेके जाएंगे. So that is the craze people have got for our industry. So I am really proud to be part of this beautiful industry. So something like Madam Threshold जो है, wax museum बनाया था, उस किस्म का आप बनाएंगे तो हमेशा के लिए वो रहेगा और लोग बड़ा पसंद करेंगे. Now today it is very meaningful for me to be part of this exhibition as it pays a wonderful tribute to Dharamji. उनके जर्नी के बारे में. This tribute is not just a recognition of his contribution in the film industry, but it is his journey with so much passion, dedication, and immense love for the audience he has been doing. And वो हमेशा यही कहते थे, the film is the way to connect with the heart. और जिसके लिए बहुत, he was very passionate about working in films, be in front of the camera. As his life partner, I can see how much passionate he was, and he has touched the hearts of millions of people because of his wonderful performance and his behavior with each and everyone. And he has inspired so many people, younger generation also, as an actor, as a friend, as a father. So he's a great man, so I'm really blessed to be with him. I was with him, I miss him a lot now. He's not there, so I don't know how I'm going to cover my whole entire life. That is another thing. Then this, now we have lost a beautiful, great singer with a golden voice, Asha Bhosle ji. She has sung for me as many songs as much what Lata ji has sung for me. So I'm really blessed person that I was in that era where all these beautiful films were made and photography was something very different. So we cannot see that today. Today is a different kind of filmmaking is there. But and then it's something really wonderful. And I congratulate the Ministry of Culture, Government of Maharashtra and the National Gallery of Modern Art, Mumbai for bringing cinema and visual art together. It will be a great service to the legends if institutions like the AGMA come forward to keep the legacy of this industry alive through such exhibition. I thank you all once again for making me a part of this event. Thank you so much.
We are privileged by the gracious presence of Honorable Governor. May I request the Honorable Governor to kindly deliver the presidential address.
Namaskar. On the dais, Sri Ashish Shelar, Honorable Minister of Information Technology and Cultural Affairs, Government of Maharashtra. Srimati Hema Malini ji, Honorable Member of Parliament and a legendary artist. Srimati Nidhi Chaudhary, Director, National Gallery of Modern Art, and she is also an artist. Members of the diplomatic community in Mumbai, distinguished invitees and art lovers, ladies and gentlemen. Since taking charge as the governor on the 10th of March this year, this is for the first time that I am visiting a cultural institution. I am pleased to visit the National Gallery of Modern Art, and I must say that I am impressed by the grand and majestic heritage building that houses NGMA. I pay my respects to the pioneer of Indian cinema, the late Dada Saheb Phalke, on his birth anniversary. And I thank Srimati Nidhi Chaudhary, the Director of National Gallery of Modern Art, for organizing this event and inviting me to this wonderful exhibition that showcases and celebrates Bollywood. And I must share with you today, looking at so many photographs, I come from a very small state in the northeast, known as Tripura. And but still photography began with two cameras that came to India at that time. One was for the Maharaja of Tripura in the 1860s, and one was for Raja Deen Dayal of Hyderabad. And there is also another connection with the film industry and the Tripura, which very few people know. The legendary music director S.D. Burman and R.D. Burman were princes from the Tripura royal family. Today I am very happy to be here in an exhibition that says there is a legacy. Because photography has its inception from Tripura, and the legendary music directors belong to this Bollywood industry. And as Srimati Hema Malini was saying, Mumbai is the house of dreams, is the land of dreams. And as Calcutta is called the city of joy, I believe Bombay should be called the city of hope. So many people come here with their dreams and to fulfill them and turn them into realities. And dream is best defined by our former president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He defined a dream beautifully. When they asked him what is a dream, he said, dream is not something that puts you to sleep. A dream is something that doesn't let you sleep. So with that, people come to the city. And they work hard. And the fruit of the work is Bollywood. One of the most, significant fruit of the labor, of the love, of the dreams, turning into reality is Bollywood. And we who are, very conversant in English, and we think so, we try to define everything in English terms. We look for translations. We translate Sanskriti into culture. The cultures come from the Latin word kal, which has a following, and Sanskriti in our scripture is something, it's an aspiration. It is a path to perfection. Because, and our nation is not only a geopolitical reality, it is best defined by its art forms. Because the art forms define the human aspiration for perfection. As we say in Sanskrit, it defines man's aspiration to paripurna, a fulfilled life. The art form do this, whether it is cinema, theatre, folk art, folk song, folk theatre, or Jatra of Bengal, or the postman song in in Bengal. This defines man's aspiration for perfection. That's why in the Upanishad we have defined what is a fulfilled life. Om Parnamadam Purnam Idam Purnat Purnam Udichyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Let this life be fulfilled. Let there be fulfillment. And culture and art is one of those. And I have been a very great, lover of the arts. And when people ask me why you were doing politics and yet you like arts and all that when I was in active politics, I would say it fulfills man's aspiration. And today, Bollywood is an industry, yet it is an art form. We can see how much it has traveled in its quest for perfection, in its quest to reach out to the people of this nation and beyond. It is an industry that brings people together. We like to define India in English terms again, saying unity, diversity, but it is, ek mein anek. It is nothing very diverse. It is ek mein anek. As we say, the truth is one, interpreted in many forms. And that's what the film industry does. Interprets life through comedy, through tragedies, through superheroes, through songs. It is the interpretation of life, understanding of life through different lenses, through different angles. And that is what this exhibition has tried to do forward. It has tried to put forward all the people who have contributed to this glorious industry that unifies the nation. Before coming here, I was the governor of Telangana. And the Telugu film industry is a very large film industry. And some of the actors and the heroes used to come and meet me. And as soon as they would come and meet me, I would get WhatsApp on my phone from remote tribal areas. So I know this actor. I've seen his films. I was quite taken aback, sitting in Hyderabad, that how people in Tripura, in the remote hills of Tripura, would know this Telugu actor. So that is the effect of film, bringing the nation together through a understanding of life. So this exhibition pays homage to the great, legendary personalities, Asha Bhosle ji and Dharmendra ji, and to so many other legends that have made the industry what it is today. And also has photographs of people who are carrying it forward. It is a legacy. It is indeed a legacy that is being carried forward into the future, adapting to new ways, adapting to new methods, new ways of filming, but with the same effect that bringing the nation together. There is hardly anyone in India, whether it's northeast or east or whatever south, who doesn't know Bollywood. And through Bollywood, they have learned Hindi also. In Nagaland, they sing Hindi songs. I was quite taken aback sometimes. Because in my young days, we didn't hear any Hindi songs in the northeast. Now in the remotest corner of Tripura or the remotest corner of Meghalaya also, you find these young boys and girls singing Hindi songs. And we have always said culture is the greatest unifier. It may be diverse as it is. It may be many in one. The oneness is always there. And I think Bollywood exemplifies or signifies or epitomizes this system of oneness. And when I say oneness, we are not thinking of uniformity. There can be no uniformity. In nature, there is no uniformity. Different types of flowers, different types of fruit, different types of animals. So we don't want uniformity, we want unity. When we speak of oneness, we speak of the oneness of the spirit, oneness of this nation, of striving for perfection. That's a Viksit Bharat. When all the people, Sabka Prayas, the Prime Minister keeps saying, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Vikas, he adds on the word to Sab. That signifies the inclusiveness of the old saying that we have, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhiha, let everyone be happy. And in that oneness of bringing unity to this nation, Bollywood played a great part. And I am very happy to be here and to meet you all, speak to you all, and to hear Halima Walmiji speaking and the Honorable Minister speaking. She has put forward a very good proposal that we should have a film, a film museum. And I am sure it will be a tourist attraction. It will be a lucrative project. It will be a good project, and it will renew boost tourism in Bombay. Everyone coming here, I'm sure, will pay a visit to that film museum. You should think about it. It's a very, very good initiative that she has proposed. And I thank you all, and I thank the organizer for inviting me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
you. I request to our honorable dignitaries to kindly proceed for a guided walkthrough of the exhibition.
हाँ जी?
Such a beautiful exhibition
Yeah.
they have inaugurated it. What do you want to say? You have spoken such beautiful words as
इज
well.
लेंस एंड लेगेसी बहुत सुंदर एग्जीबिशन डिस्प्ले किया है। हमारे कलाकार उस समय से लेकर अभी तक के जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हैं, नॉट ओनली एक्टर्स बट ऑल्सो द डायरेक्टर, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, दोज हु आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री, उनका पूरा डिस्प्ले किया है, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस। इसमें मेरा भी है तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं भी आई हैव ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूटेड समथिंग फॉर दिस इंडस्ट्री, सो यू फील नाइस टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस। धर्म जी का ट्रिब्यूट दे रहे हैं, इसीलिए तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ उनके लिए। एंड उन्होंने बहुत बहुत काम, इतना बड़ा बढ़िया काम किया है पूरा इंडस्ट्री में, पूरा नाम इतना अपने एक्टिंग से कितने लोगों का दिल जीता है, नहीं, टच द हार्ट्स ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल। सो एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। तो जो उनके लिए जो ट्रिब्यूट दे रहे हैं उसके लिए मैं यहाँ आई। एंड ऑल्सो आशा भोंसले जी जो इतने बड़े सिंगर हैं, शी इज़ नॉट देयर विद अस नाउ विद अ गोल्डन वॉइस। उन्होंने भी मेरे लिए कितने पिक्चरों में गाना गाया, सब लेजेंड है। तो मैंने वही इनके लिए कहा कि एक जगह ऐसा बनाना चाहिए जहाँ पे जितने भी फैंस हैं हमारे ना, पूरा बॉम्बे आते हैं क्या देखने के लिए, मुंबई मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। सो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री सबके पास तो नहीं जा सकते हैं, अगर ऐसा ही कुछ बनाएंगे तो पुराने ज़माने के उस एक्टर लोगों को देख के बड़ा खुश हो जाएंगे, विच इज़ नॉट रियल बट यू कैन क्रिएट इट। क्रिएशन करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा फॉर टूरिज़्म के लिए। वो सब कुछ जानकारी मिलेगी लोगों को, आगे आने वाली जनरेशन। दैट इज़ व्हाट माय आइडिया वाज, दैट आई विल इंसिस्ट ऑन हैविंग दिस। आई विल टेल द कल्चरल मिनिस्ट्री में भी बोल के मैं ज़रूर काम कराऊंगी। एटलीस्ट 5-6 एकड़ लैंड में एक एक्टर का अलग अलग बना के सब कुछ, उनके गाने जितने फेमस थे, क्यों फेमस था, मे बी उनका कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑल्सो यू शुड डिस्प्ले, कुछ अच्छे पिक्चर का जो है,
क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है एक आर्टिस्ट के पीछे। मेकअप आर्टिस्ट होते हैं,
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, कितना मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है वो लोग भी, उन लोगों का भी यहाँ पे है मेरे ख्याल में, ऊपर कहीं होगा सब कुछ। इट्स अ कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नॉट वन पर्सन, इट्स अ एंटायर यूनिट।
थैंक यू सो मच। बिकॉज बोलना तो वही है ना।
हाँ मैम जी,
बोलिए।
सर सबसे पहले तो इतनी बढ़िया जगह आर्टिस्टों के लिए मुंबई में, ऐसा लगता है कि आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं ज़िंदगी में पहली बार आया हूँ इस बिल्डिंग में, एंड बाहर से गुजरते थे तो देखते रहते ये बिल्डिंग क्या है। अंदर आके देखा तो इट इज़ लाइक इट्स अमेजिंग प्लेस फॉर एन आर्ट गैलरी एंड ऑल दैट। एंड वेरी स्ट्रांगली मैं रिकमेंड करता हूँ बॉम्बेइट्स को या टूरिस्टों को जो भी बॉम्बे में आते हैं, दे शुड कम एंड विजिट दिस। एंड इट्स अमेजिंग, इट हैज़ डिफरेंट ऑरा एंड takes you back. It's amazing. I don't know, I can't have.
इतने सारे कलाकारों के इतने सुंदर पिक्चर एकदम नॉस्टैल्जिया हो जाता है कहीं ना कहीं, पुराने समय में आप लौट गए होंगे दोबारा।
हाँ, बहुत लगी हुई है, मेरी भी लगी हुई है। फोटो तो ये पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, पर पुरानी यादें आती हैं उनको देख के, और स्टिल जो है फोटोग्राफ्स है फिल्मों के, एटमॉस्फेयर है, कैसे फिल्में बनती थी, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। तो इट्स ए जर्नी, यू नो।
खास करके हमारे पीछे जिस वक्त हम यहाँ खड़े हैं, आप पीछे आशा मैम की फोटो है, धर्म पाजी की फोटो है।
हाँ, धर्म पाजी तो यार,
कैसे
I was very close to him. I can't say anything. Not blood, but he was there all the time. चलिए, okay, thank you.
तो जगह के ऊपर।
हाँ, हेलो, how are you? Good.
कलाकारों के लिए इतनी बेहतरीन जगह खुली है, इतने सारे पुराने पिक्चर।
अरे भाई मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ। चलो।
मैम इतनी सुंदर जगह खुली है कलाकारों के लिए, आप भी आज यहाँ प्रेजेंट थे, आप फोटोज देखते हैं, पुराने समय को याद करते, क्या कहेंगे, कैसे लगे आपको ये जगह?
अरे मैं तो एकदम क्या बताऊँ, अमेजिंग जिसको बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा कभी मैंने एग्जीबिशन देखा नहीं है। और जिन्होंने भी ये एग्जीबिशन रखा है, किया है, मेहनत की है, आई एम श्योर वी शुड थैंक देम फॉर इट. उनको लाख लाख शुक्रिया मैं दूँ.
मैम एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, धर्मपाल जी एंड आशा मैम के लिए भी यहाँ पे ऑनर वॉल है, उनको आप कैसे याद करते हैं, कोई फॉन्ड मेमोरी शेयर करना
ओह यस, मैं तो जब से आशा जी गई है मैं उन्हीं के गाने सुनती हूँ. और हमारे धर्म जी तो मेरे भाई थे और बहुत ही प्यारे. इनका जन्मदिन 8 तारीख को और मेरे हस्बैंड का जन्मदिन 9 तारीख को. बट ही वॉज अ जेम, जिसको बोलते ना हीरा. हीरा
ऐसा कोई किस्सा है जो आपको याद हो, आपको हमें याद दिला दो?
वो तो याद है, बहुत सारी यादें हैं, एक नहीं गिना सकते. ठीक है, लेकिन बहुत हमारा बहुत ही क्लोज रिश्ता था, एकदम भाई की तरह थे हमारे. थैंक यू सो मच.